Okay, so this is my second example in solving trigonometric equations with two or more terms. Says solve for x, where x is an element of 0 to 2 pi. Ibig sabihin, ito yung kanyang interval. Inclusive of 0, but not 2 pi is not included. Okay? So, from the equation, sine 2x equal to sine x. Okay. So, ang pansin natin, we have here 2x. So, magkaiba yung sine 2x sa sine x. So, gagamit tayo dito ng identity. So, introduce ko sa inyo yung double angle identity for sine. Okay? So, display ko na lang yung mga identities for double angle. So, sine 2x equal to sine x. And then, ating double identity for sine is sine 2x equal to 2 sine x cosine x. Okay, so I'm going to replace sine 2x by this. So 2 sine x cosine x equal to sine x. Again, do not divide both sides by sine x. Okay? Kailangan maging 0 yung right side. How? By transposing sine x to the left side. So 2 sine x cosine x minus sine x equal to 0. Now, common monomial factors kasi both terms ay may sine x. So, factor natin si sine x, quantity. So, this is 2 cosine x minus 1 equal to 0. Papansin nyo, isang term na siya. Okay? Now, zero factor law, equate natin both factors to 0. Sine x equal to 0 at yung isa, 2 cosine x minus 1 equal to 0. And then, we have the inverse trigonometric function or inverse of sine is sine to the negative 1, 0. So if you're going to use scientific calculator, mas madali nga naman. Inverse sine 0. Saan ba 0 ang ating, saan pa magiging 0 yung sine natin at what angle? So magiging 0 lamang siya kapag siya ay nasa x-axis ang terminal side. Okay? So therefore, 0 and pi. Okay? 0 and pi lamang. So yun ang sagot natin. Nakasama ba siya sa domain of x? Yes, 0 to pi. We have this one, 2 cosine x, transpose 1 to the other side, divide both sides by 2. Therefore, cosine x equal to 1 half. Inverse cosine, cosine to the negative 1 of 1 half. Yan. So, what is the value of x so that if we get its cosine, the result is 1 half? So, kung titingnan natin sa table of values, So, pag titingnan natin sa table of values natin for special angles, angle natin doon ay cosine, that is 60 degrees. 60 degrees is, in radian, is pi over 3. Okay? So, ang ating cosine is positive both sa first and fourth quadrant. Okay? So, ito yung pi over 3. Ito yung pi over 3 din. So, kailangan natin angle and standard position. So, kunin natin yon. Ano yon? So, that is 2 pi minus pi over 3. So, that is 5 pi over 3. Okay? So, ito yung 5 pi over 3. Okay? So, ito yung 5 pi over 3. Therefore, ang sagot natin ay, kasama ba sila doon sa interval na yan? Oo. So, ang sagot natin ay 0, pi over 3, pi, and 5 pi over 3. Okay? So, pag kinuha mo yung, check kaya natin dito. Substitute natin para ma-check natin kung tama. Ito, sa original equation. Try natin si pi over 3. So, we have checking. Ang pi over 3 ay 60 degrees. Okay? Pi over 3, 60 degrees. So, yun na lang ilagay natin. So, sine 2 times 60 degrees. Okay? X dyan ay pi over 3 or 60 degrees. Okay? And we have sine 60 degrees. Pag gumamit ka ng calculator, okay, so this is sine 120. This is sine 60 degrees. No? Sine 120. Ginamit ko na lang degree ha. But you can use pi over 3. Square root of 3 over 2. And sine 60 is also square root of 3 over 2. So sa makatuwid, tama yung pi over 3. You can check pa rin pi. Okay? Paki-check na lang. So, tama yung sagot natin. Okay? So, that is example number 2 in solving trigonometric equations with 2 or more terms. Thank you.